Welcome to Always Dolls. Today we are with Bethany as she makes sweet bubble tea for the dolls. This is an easy resin craft. If you've ever wanted to try this medium, we highly encourage you to give it a go. The package instructions were simple to follow and the results are very realistic. We love how you can choose any colour to dye the resin and customise your bubble tea. So, let's get making! For this project, we are using communion cups bought off eBay. If you don't have access to this type of cup, you can make your own. Totally Rooty has a coffee cup printable that is just the right size. Take thin plastic packaging and trace the cup shape. Cut it out. You will need a small circle for the bottom of the cup. Use a round bottle cap to help you form the plastic into a cup shape. Secure the sides with sticky tape or, for permanency, use E6000 glue. Apply more glue to the base of the cup and attach the circle piece. For the boba pearls, or bubbles in the tea, roll tiny balls of black air-dry clay. Leave them overnight to harden. Resin time! Combine 3 parts liquid from bottle A and 1 part liquid from bottle B. Stir slowly to avoid air bubbles in the mixture. We used a small drop of cream paint to colour our resin a traditional bubble tea flavour. Put a little resin in the bottom of the cup and position the boba pearls. Give them about an hour to partially set before pouring in the rest of your mixture. Now leave the drink for another hour or two to semi-set. Here we are using pony beads for ice. For the top of the drink, we are going to use parts of a condiments lid. Put resin around the lip of the communion cup and wrap with the corrugated plastic. Carefully cut away the domed section and make a hole in the middle to thread through a cocktail straw. Slide on another larger circle cut from scrap plastic packaging. Insert the straw into your drink and leave it 24 hours to fully cure. Now the dolls have sweet bubble tea, the perfect drink for summer. Make them in different colours for different flavours. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.